Hey everybody! One more equation boot camp quiz. It looks like the sequel. So the point of this was just to get you some, again, some looks at some fairly heady equations. All of these could actually be solved manually, but the point is if you have the graphical solution, that's the way to go. So let's look at a couple of these. The first one is x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. I said this one has two solutions. Some of you can't resist the urge to solve it manually, and that's totally fine. But my point is, if this is the equation and you're looking for where this equals 0, you're just looking for where y equals 0. So y equals 0 at x equals 1 and x equals 2. So those are your solutions, x equal 1 and x equal 2. Next one is root x plus 4 equals 5 minus x. This one also has two solutions. It's x plus 4, excuse me, and 5 minus x. Oh, no, it doesn't have two solutions. It's only got one. That's because never mind. So the solution appears out here. I'd call that 2.4, I guess. 2.4-ish, somewhere in that neighborhood. If you were to solve this one manually, you would square both sides. And the reason I thought it had two was because you'd get an x squared term, but then one of those won't check. So anyway, you don't have to worry about that because you only have one solution, and it's right here. This one would be a bear to solve manually. X squared minus 3x plus 2, which is the red parabola, and the square root of x plus 4. Now you can see where the solutions are. One is at 0, and one appears to be right out here at, at 3, what are we going to call that? 3.2? Yeah, we'll call that 3.2. So 0 and about 3.2. And last but not least, x squared minus 3x plus 2, the parabola, and 5 minus x. And again, I said two solutions. Looks like one happens over here at -1, and one happens over here at +3. And that's the beauty of having the graphs. You don't need to crunch the numbers. You don't need to get lost in the algebra if the graphs are there to help you. So I hope that helped. We'll be experiencing these in class from time to time, and we'll deal with them as we happen upon them. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon.